Hi, I'm Liz Morris, co-founder of the Nail Hub and ATTAIN Cosmetics. And today I wanted to highlight some of the performance factors that you're going to find in the ATTAIN Cosmetics product system. I'm really excited about this part of the conversation because as someone who has been a nail educator for several years in the nail industry and has come across a lot of gimmicks and a lot of marketing tactics, I wanted to make sure that any product that I put my name on was something that actually performed well and created very specific results. Now, as someone who's been teaching online for several years, I come across people from a lot of different industries. I've had people from professional musicians to chefs, nurses, people in lots of different fields like tradesmen, electricians, car mechanics, all different types of individuals talking to me about their nail problems, whether it be peely nails, nails that crack or split, nails that are constantly popping off. And back when I was working in a salon setting, I actually worked on a ton of military individuals. Their toenails would pop off due to their steel-toed boots. People were constantly afraid to show their fingers or their nails, their toes to me because they were concerned about how they looked. And they were always very insecure, but also suffering from a lot of things that can be easily resolved with really good product choices. So with ATTAIN, we've addressed all of these different things. Not only address the aesthetic component of nails where we create more beautiful nails, we create longer nails, we're able to add color to nails, but we also wanted to address this functional component where you can repair nails, you can replace missing nails. If you're a runner, if you're someone who works in steel-toed boots, if you're constantly breaking the corners off of your toes, if you're constantly dealing with splits, cracks, peeling, different issues that might happen to either your fingers or your toes, we wanted to come up with something that could actually address that. And that's exactly what we did with our ATTAIN adhesion product and our strength line. So whether you're an athlete, a medical professional, a tradesman, military personnel, or anything in between, we wanted to make sure that this was something that was successful for both men and women to use, because I believe that everybody should be able to find a solution to their nail problems. It's also something that's discreet. We thought a lot about making sure that if, for example, a man wanted to fix his fingernails or his toenails, that it wasn't something that he felt was inaccessible to him or was out of his reach. We wanted to make sure that our line was not ultra feminine nor ultra masculine either. We wanted every type of person to feel like ATTAIN was something that they could use and get the maximum results out of. So our products are something that can be shiny, can be matte, can honestly be so discreet that you don't notice that anything's on the nail whatsoever, but you can experience that performance and that result by utilizing an amazing product that not only thought about formula, thought about allergies, thought about user experience, thought about curing, but also thought about how you would experience wearing this product on a daily basis. Our product also is what I like to call universal, which for me means highly compatible. It's something that works with a lot of different products. Like I mentioned in my last video, you can replace glue-based dip powder systems with ATTAIN adhesion. That way you can use things like dip powder and continue to enjoy those colors. If you also own a ton of colors of gel polish or even builder gel products, you can use our products with those as well. And we wanted to make sure that even if you've already invested in some nail care products, you're able to continue to utilize them. You can also even apply nail polish over a finished ATTAIN overlay and just simply replace your color while adding strength, durability, and resilience to your natural nails. And with all of these different components where we're addressing chemical formulations, curing importance, and also performance, we wanted to make sure that nails were not only something that you could address if you were dealing with a specific issue, but that you could go back to having fun again. One of the most important parts about things like nails or hair, makeup, clothes, different hobbies that we get into is that it brings joy to our lives. So if nails is something that you really love to do, that it brings you happiness when you look down at your fingers or your toes, it's something that I wanted to bring that factor back. That's one of the things that made me become a professional manicurist and nail educator, was my passion and my love for the feeling that you get and you also give through nail care. So that is something that I wanted to make sure we brought back by making sure all of these different factors were already addressed for you, that you could buy from a credible source, from somebody that truly understands things at a fundamental level and can translate that knowledge into a product that you can use without having to sweat every single thing that you're doing with it. Now, ATTAIN is not everything under the sun, and this is something that's also really important. We were highly specific about what we wanted to create. And so in my next video, I'm going to be talking about what we are, but also what we are not, so that you understand ATTAIN at a fundamental level and you can truly understand how ATTAIN might fit into your specific lifestyle. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.